In the world of nutrition, one question that often sparks debates is, are raw foods better for your health than cooked foods? Today, we're diving into the science of raw versus cooked foods, comparing the health benefits, drawbacks, and how the way we prepare food affects its nutrients. Let's start with raw foods. Eating raw fruits and vegetables offers a few clear advantages. First, they contain more water-soluble vitamins like vitamin C and many B vitamins, which can degrade when exposed to heat. Think of the crispness of a fresh apple or the vibrant color of leafy greens. These foods are packed with nutrients, enzymes, and antioxidants that support your immune system and digestion. Raw foods also retain fiber in its most natural form. This helps with digestion and can keep you feeling full longer, making it easier to manage weight. Plus, raw produce often requires little preparation, making it convenient and quick to include in your diet. But it's not all sunshine and rainbows. Some raw foods, such as beans, grains, and potatoes, contain naturally occurring toxins that can cause digestive issues or even illness if not properly prepared. And of course, the bacteria and pathogens present in raw meat and unwashed vegetables can lead to foodborne illnesses. Now, let's talk about cooked foods. Cooking can enhance the digestibility of certain foods. For instance, cooking tomatoes increases the availability of lycopene, a powerful antioxidant that helps protect against heart disease and certain cancers. The heat breaks down plant cell walls, making nutrients like beta-carotene in carrots more accessible and easier to absorb. Cooking also has its protective benefits. Heat kills harmful bacteria and parasites, which is why cooking meat and seafood is essential for food safety. And let's not forget the taste. Cooking improves the flavor and texture of many foods, making them more enjoyable to eat. For example, cooked kale is much easier to chew and digest than raw kale. However, cooking can also lead to the loss of some vitamins and minerals, especially with methods like boiling. Steaming or sautéing can be better options to preserve nutrients while still making food easier to digest. So, which is better, raw or cooked? The truth is, both have their benefits. A diet that includes a variety of raw and cooked foods offers the best of both worlds. By eating raw fruits and vegetables, you ensure you get maximum enzymes, fiber, and vitamins. And by cooking certain foods, you boost their nutritional value and ensure food safety. It's not about choosing one over the other, but rather about balance. For example, you could enjoy a fresh salad with raw spinach and tomatoes, and pair it with a side of roasted sweet potatoes for a well-rounded meal. Now that you know the truth about raw versus cooked foods, it's time to take control of your health. Mix and match to create the best diet for your body. If you found this video helpful, hit that like button, subscribe, and turn on the post notification bell so you never miss our latest health tips. And be sure to check out our other videos for more amazing insights on living a healthy lifestyle.